Welcome back to Just Cook Dammit. Join me today while I make a plate of Lamb Mandi. When I tell you this thing is absolutely heaven sent, it smells so delicious. So let's start. I am putting in some Mandi seasoning. The seasonings is listed in the description field of the video. You want to rub those lamb shakes in with the seasonings, making sure you're thoroughly covered. Moving on to a pressure cooker with a little bit of olive oil on the bottom. I am browning all sides of these lamb shakes. Now, of course, pressure cooker doesn't hold all four at the same time on browning, so just doing them two at a time. After such, your lamb should look like this. The next two is up. We'll go ahead and fast forward through this. Taking those lamb shakes, placing to the side. Just to turn back around and put them back in the pressure cooker. All four of them this time. And then you want to fill in the pressure cooker with some water. Add in a little bit more Mandi seasoning. Some thyme, oregano. Followed it up with some salt. In this little concoction, I placed in a black lime, garlic, clove, some star anise, cloves. Follow that back up with some more water. I'm going to stop right there. We don't want to overflow it. This is a pressure cooker. Some garlic paste. You can't go wrong with more garlic. I'm sorry. You can't. Some cinnamon sticks, bay leaves. Put the pressure cooker on 3 hours and 30 minutes. If you don't have an Instapot, this really saves on time on cooking. So 3.5 hours later, this is what your meat's going to look like. Save that juice. We're going to use that for the rice. Next up, take some onions, white onions, slice those up, and you want to saute them in some olive oil. Add some salt. Keep moving them around. Add in a jalapeno pepper or a chili pepper. And this is how they should look after sauteing them for a while. And what I do is I placed a little bit of the onions on a plate to the side. Stir that rice in. And that juice that I told you to save earlier, add that juice in. Now you want to take and put this to a boil. Add in cinnamon sticks, bay leaves. Put the pot lid on. Take that to a medium-low heat for about 20 minutes. And this is what your rice is going to look like. Now here's your plate. And when I say this thing right here is absolutely delicious, trust me, you won't be disappointed. Hope you give it a try. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And God bless.